Hi, this is Matt from Taqtile. I'm going to show you how to create and assign jobs or tasks in Manifest. So to create and assign work in Manifest, you'll want to start from the Work tab. On the top right, I'll select the Add Work button. And there's two types of work in Manifest, a job and a task. To assign a job, I'll select the proper location, asset, template, assigned user, and a priority, high, medium, or low, and then I'll select add. If I wanted to add a task, I'll follow the same process. So I'll go add work. Now I'll select a task here. And I'm going to select, instead this time, just the location, the user. I could associate a task with an asset or not. And I'll also give it a description. Order a new part. Once I select add, this task will be assigned to Matt.